Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto download PDF file and redirect to custom page or thank you page after submission in Forminator form plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using plugin Forminator form and we are going to auto download PDF file and redirect to custom page or thank you page when user submit the form. Now go to form page again. So this is our form. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select JavaScript snippet. Now click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in custom code we are going to add Forminator form ID. Now you see 3606. So this is our form ID. Now go to form. So this is our form we are using. In URL you see ID 3606. Now back to custom code. So in custom code we are going to add PDF link. So you can add your PDF link. Now you see. And then you see PDF name. So you can customize PDF name also. Now you see your custom PDF. Optional. Specify our default name for this download file. And then you see redirect to the thank you page after a short delay. So you can add your thank you page link or custom page link. Now you see we added in custom code and then you see time delay. So you can add time delay according to requirement. So when user fills the form and then click on submit or download, then PDF download start auto and after 2 seconds page redirect to custom page or thank you page in Forminator form. And then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page and refresh the page. So after that we are going to fill this form. So add some information. So we added name and email and then click on send message. And then you see PDF download start auto. So click on save and then you see redirect to custom page or thank you page after 2 seconds by using custom code. Now file download done. Open it. So this is our PDF file. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.